Before watching this video, don't forget to download the example located in the information column. Hello everyone, today we're talking about adjusting column width, row height. Seeing this picture, you'll see this font is irregularly and hard to read. And when we met this problem, we can use automatically adjust column width and column height, and it will become more tidy and readable. Its advantage is that it is the most fast-saving adjustment method, but every cell size won't be identical. And now let's start step by step. The first step is choose the column that you want to adjust. And don't forget, the range should include the top coordinate field. And let's see the video. You click, hold and drag to select, and this includes the top coordinate field. And move to this video. You'll find it. Just select the font that you want to adjust, and this is the wrong example. And step 2 is that move the cursor to become double arrow switch direction in upside, like this icon, and then double click to adjust it. And let's see the video. First select the column and move the cursor to make it become this icon and double click. And after the adjustment, all selected column width will be adjusted together. And to adjust the row height, the process is similar. Choose the column that you want to adjust, and the range should include the left coordinate field. And let's see the video. Choose the column. Include the left coordinate field. And then double click to adjust it. Double click. And at last, each cell will become the minimum size that meets the required size. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe our channel PassByValue and SKU. Thanks for your attention.